Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to change your profile picture on Gmail using your PC. With this new update, personalizing your Gmail account is quick and simple. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the page where your current profile picture is displayed. Click on it to begin the process. Next, you'll see a menu appear. Click on the option that says Manage your Google account. This will open a new tab where you can access all your account settings and preferences. In this new tab, locate and click on Personal Information. This section contains various details about your account, including your profile picture. It's the perfect place to make updates. Now find your current picture and click on it. This action will allow you to change your profile photo. Look for the Change button and click on it to select a new image. You can now choose the picture you want to upload. This could be an image from your computer or one you've stored in Google Photos. Once you've found the perfect image, select it and click Next. After reviewing your new picture, click on Save as Profile Picture. This final step will update your profile picture across all Google services linked to your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail profile picture. It's a great way to keep your account fresh and reflect your personality. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.